May I mention, I have filed a special criminal application where competency has been denied by the registry.
Competency?
Yes. As a party in person, you have to take a competency on every case.
Yes.
So it was denied. So I have requested Justice Pancholi when he was sitting on this special criminal board, but nothing has been done. So, and after that, couple of benches have changed. Now it is before Your Honor. So I am requesting that because there is a contempt petition also filed which emanates from the same set of facts. So I requested Chief Justice to club these two matters and list before the division bench. But he said, no, you go to coordinate bench who is before whom this special criminal application is.
Yes.
So I am requesting the permission to represent under Rule 31A 4A of Gujarat High Court.
Show me that rule. I'm not aware. What is that?
The registry would require a competency certificate. That's a
Yes, that's
No, but 31A 4A overrides that. It is the discretion of the court.
You want to make your case
Party in person.
as a party in person. Why?
Because I know the facts very well, and
If the registry says no, then
no, but this 31A 4A gives power to the bench to override. So I have given an application which is on file.
where is that application?
It is on file, Your Honor. I have filed it in the registry. Also, Court Master of Justice Pancholi, I gave a copy. But then the board changed. He was on the sick leave, so it couldn't be heard. And then Justice Supaiya, and then after that it was again changed to Justice Vora, who asked me to come on opening day. So I came today, but it is again changed and before.
Where is that application?
It is on the file, Your Honor. I have filed it in the registry and before the Court Master
Which court master?
of Justice Pancholi.
તો ત્યાં જે હું લેવા જાઉં તમે જશો લેવા.
But sir, what can I do? It is on the file.
What can I do then?
No, but I am requesting just to Rule 31A 4A.
What is that rule 31? Go show me rule.
Okay.
Show me that rule. Which rule is?
31A 4A.
Oh, what act? What rule?
No, Gujarat High Court, 1993.
What does it say?
It says, Your Honor, that court can override the decision of the competency committee.
Upon your oral request?
No, I have given in writing. Your Honor.
Where is that writing? That's what I'm asking.
Sir, it is on the file.
You must have your copy.
I had a copy which was addressed to Justice. Anyways, I am coming to the rule. Okay, I'll come back with the copy later.
Better.
Lordship
Yes.
matter serial number 50 I'm requesting for some accommodation.
Virat Popat.
Lordship, on behalf
Where
of
is he? He was here.
he was here, but on behalf of Mr. Popat, I'm requesting if it can be.
3 weeks.
Lordship, highly obliged.
So I'm requesting 54.